today I wanted to talk to you about stretching. Stretching is something that is super important, but I don't see clients doing it enough. I don't see people at the gym doing it enough, and it's super important. It doesn't matter how young or how old you are. Stretching is important. It's good for your flexibility. You need to be warming up your muscles both before and after your workout as it is, and it prevents injury, which as you get older, which all of us will, becomes more of a factor in your training. So today I wanted to show you a really quick, really good, deep, 3-move lower body stretch that you can do both before and after your lower body workouts, whether it's hamstrings, glutes, full legs, whatever you're doing. So again, before and after your workout, start doing this and do it religiously and watch how much better your flexibility gets, watch how much better everything gets. You'll feel a lot better too. So first thing we want to stretch is our hamstrings. This is one of the major muscles we use during leg day no matter what we're doing. So I need to find something to stabilize myself on, so I brought this chair. But you're going to want to pick your leg up, kind of keep it close to the other one from the side so you can see. And really just pull on your foot and stand up straight until you feel this nice deep stretch through your quadricep. And you're going to want to hold that on each side for about 20 or 30 seconds. And it really warms up this muscle and stretches it out. Second thing you're going to want to stretch is your hamstrings, right here behind your quadriceps on the back of your leg. So you're going to again want to find something that you can use to stabilize yourself and put your foot up on. And you're going to want to just lean forward as far as you can go until you feel a good deep stretch back here. And the longer you do this, the more you do this, the more flexible you'll get. Eventually you can touch your nose to your knee if you're really good. So you're going to want to do that 20-30 seconds on each side. And the last lower body stretch I want to show you is called a butterfly stretch. So you're going to want to sit down on the ground with your feet together. Don't need to be touching you, but you're going to want to pull them in close. And you're really just going to want to use your elbows to push down on your knees if you can, or just get real low until you feel everything through here starting to stretch out and release. Real good for your back too. You can kind of feel it all along your back. So you're going to want to get down low as you can. Hold that for a good 20 or 30 seconds. And again, do this both before and after your lower body workouts and see how much better you feel.